Our founder, Horst Rolf Liebenstein, was born in Germany in 1912. He was an educated mechanical engineer and a toolmaker, learning the metalworking trade in the bicycle industry. He immigrated via Ellis Island in 1938, but in 1946 he founded HORST Engineering on the second floor of a barn at 602 Garden Street. In 1950, he built what he thought was his dream factory. In the subsequent years, with the help of the second and third generations, the company has expanded and grown many times. We had nearly 50,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Which brings us to our new factory in East Hartford, which more than doubles the amount of space that we previously had. We took a 50-year-old building that was a blighted eyesore and transformed it into this modern factory. We executed a multi-year demolition and renovation project. It's 101,000 square feet on 7.2 acres, including 21,000 square feet of future expansion space. Every aspect of the building was constructed with the welfare of our people in mind. From ergonomic furniture to the air quality and lighting that the employees desire. Our investment in a dedicated learning center will allow us to collaborate even more with the area technical schools as we work to build the next generation of skilled labor. We didn't just move to this new factory and keep the equipment the way it was laid out at the old factory, but we transformed the way we're doing business. We've adopted cells and flow lines using lean enterprise principles. Each of our 13 cells is named after a gemstone: pearl, beryl, ruby, emerald. Each gemstone cell is a group of parts that have similar sequences and processes. South of our center bank of offices is our mix shop. That's where we produce our exceptions, which only represent about 20% of our part numbers. What makes HORST unique is that within our product geometries, we have an incredibly high mix and are capable of producing low volumes of parts from a wide range of materials, including aluminum, steel, stainless steel, titanium, and all of the high temperature alloys. Our parts are made to the highest precision. We are also a one-stop shop, managing the logistics for our customers across a wide range of special processes, including heat treatments, coatings, testing. Our AS9100 quality system helps us manage those processes. And we use the most modern systems, including our ERP, in order to schedule parts to the on-time delivery requirements of our demanding customers. Every aspect of our new factory was built with growth in mind. We even have dedicated floor space available to build specialized cells based on customers' needs. In this example, we're building a flow line for a customer who we're collaborating with to take on the production of a product family. In this particular cell, we're using some cutting-edge grinding technology that is going to allow us to be able to hold tolerances within 10,000ths of an inch. This type of new part introduction and research and development is available to customers who have a need for a dedicated cell. We invite you to come tour our factory and see what 75 years of hard work looks like. And then we would be happy to have a conversation about how we are shaping the plan for our next 75 years.